Hello guys, this is Osmosis FX, and right here we are taking a look at GU and our expectation for GU for this week. Way back, GU has been bullish, and this demand zone took out liquidity and break structure. So we know that there's an industrial funding there, and price came back to it. We have a reaction, and that reaction means a lot. We have a rally-based rally formation into this retracement supply, and we took out the supply. We continue in taking out a high before we have a massive break of the next demand, flipped, and we push below. So presently we are in a speculation for demands to get into play. So for demands to get into play, we are inside a demand zone. So we are probably should see this impulse should have not been as much as this one. Two, we should have seen more a corrective structure. This is an impulsive correction. So that's two that I'm looking at. Three, now I would love to see a liquidity sweep and a change of character before I buy, and that can happen on a daily or a 4-hour time frame. I would just love to see a liquidity flip and a change of character before I engage. So what I'm looking out to now is to see a reaction of a buy setup in here, and take note, you must have a module that you want to see. What I want to see is price take out liquidity change structure, and this I want to go in. If I don't see this, I'm not interested. I'm really not interested. I want to see a liquidity flip, a liquidity. I should take out liquidity, change, then return back to the top. So for that, if it happened, then this is my target. If it did not happen, which will change my bias, if it did not happen, then I would love to see a flip. I would love to see a flip here. Then I'll look for sell setup down to this buy. But if it happened, then I'm taking out this and this. These are the two targets I'll be looking at. So I think that's that for my overall view for GU. So let's go down to daily, and let's see what daily have. I have a lot of indications in daily though. So now in my daily, I already know that I have a daily demand, which is this one. I already see the price has taken my liquidity, and what I'm expecting is to see a buy setup here. If I see a buy setup here, we still have two unmitigated supplies. If I see a buy setup here, I'll take it to this liquidity first, and this second demand might be, let me just clear out this because price is currently here. This is a BMS here, so I would love to see a reaction here, and what I love to see is take out of this low, take out of the high, then I'm in here to buy. So if this should fail, though, this should fail first and this should react, we should have a takeover. If price is going to take out this high, but because this trend is actually bullish, this trend is bullish, so this is a massive order block that needs to take out this high. So in here I'll be looking for a buy setup, in here I'll be looking for a buy setup. So I'll just wait to see a buy set of confirmation, which I just showed you the setup I love to see. I love to see this is break of structure, right? Then I'm to see a takeoff high. So we have this liquidity taking the break of structure, price came back to the other block and I will push. That's what I want to see here. So if it presents itself, fine. If it doesn't, I'll just keep holding on to my hands until I see clearly, evidently. So for some people that don't know how to see it clearly, I'll just show you something. In line also, I used to have that formation. Now let's go to the most recent supply. What happened in this supply? Sorry about that. Now look at this most recent supply. What happened? We have price coming, broke this high, we have retracement, broke this high and immediately broke the low. So this is a solid demand that when price comes here, we should see a reaction. Even if it's against the trend, there should still be a reaction. And if price takes it out, there should be an immediate flip, solid entry flip for you to take your profit back. So it just depends on if you see it or if you don't see it. So I would love to see that formation also here. You can see in line, price has not gotten inside our demand zone, but in candlestick, price has gotten. So I can still see some liquidity. If price now from here reversed and price now did this, Thai food, I'm in. Okay guys, so I think I'll stop on daily because I think presently I don't have any lower time frame view. Why? Because I'm presently monitoring this zone to see a reaction this week. If I don't see a reaction this week, guys, I'm just gonna hold my hands. So just follow what works for you. Okay, I'll wait to see a reaction. If I don't see a reaction, then I'll just hold on to my peace. Yeah, it's good to hold on to your peace, bro. Nothing is disturbing my daily talk, so it's good to hold on to your peace and let peace reign. All right, that's what I have for you guys on GU for this week. More so, I haven't this was last week high and low, and the low has been taken already. So in here, well, so let me just do this. This is week high, previous week high, then previous week low. So I like it to be top and right, and here too at the top right. Okay, so if I go down to daily, I should still see it's good. So we've taken previous week low, okay, which is today, took out the low. So let's see what Monday, Tuesday will give us, because we have a reaction that is supposed to take place. Yes, we have a reaction that is supposed to take place. They goes on Tuesday and on Wednesday, no, I think on Thursdays. Tuesday, Wednesday, I think so. Yeah, let me see. Tuesday I have USD, Thursday I have USD, and Friday. So those 2 days I'll be looking at for reaction here. Okay, that's that on that, and see you guys